Everyone, so I'm going to show you today how to do a really quick and cute party hairstyle or flower girl hairstyle. So I started off by placing the hair into a high ponytail, and then I don't like it to be too kind of neat and tight this style, so I'm just teasing out those sections, holding onto the hair tie and pulling away. Then you will do a 3-strand braid. That's all you need to do. 3-strand braid. But as you take that section over the middle, I want you to just leave out a little piece of hair. So you'll see on this side, I do the same, leaving out a little piece of hair. And then I continue to do that all the way down the braid. So try and get as far down as you can, leaving a strand of hair out. And then once you've kind of run out of hair, just braid all the way to the bottom and put a hair tie in. Next, you're going to just take hold of that braid and tease it out nice and big. I want my bun to be quite big with this style, so I'm sort of like just teasing those sections out. And then I'll take a hair wand. You could use straightening irons if you wanted to, or tongs. And you'll take each of those sections that you left out and you'll just curl those. I went for quite a tight curl. You could do a bigger curl if you wanted to, and I'm doing the front section. Then you'll take some hair padding. So that is, I just cut up a little piece of a bun donut and I'm wrapping that around. And the reason I'm doing that is, again, to just give volume to the bun. You don't have to do this, especially if, they've got a lot of hair. And then you'll take hold of that braid, wrap it around, and then just I'm using some long hair grips here, but you'll just pin that down onto the head, make it all secure and teasing out as you go. And then taking the little curls that we did and pinning those randomly into that bun just to create a softer style. And then accessories if you want to. And there we have it. Look at little Lily. So cute. I love this style. And it's really simple and quick to do.